All right, so this week we talked about a new formula here. It is the present single deposit formula. And so this one is used when we have a goal. We have a goal of, I want to have this much money in this amount of time. Maybe you're saving for college, or you're saving for a car, or for a house, or whatever it might be. But we have a goal. I want to have $10,000 and I have this much time to do it. What do I need to do right now to reach that goal? And so with this, our important phrase here, all of our equations or examples have important phrases that tell us what kind of scenario we have. In this one, the important phrase is, how much do you need to deposit now? And so two things are happening here. I don't know the deposit amount. So that's one thing that's happening here. The second thing that's happening here is it is just one single deposit. Oh, goodness. So one single deposit that's happening, just what do I deposit right now? Not over time, just one single deposit right now. And again, this one is an example of a present. It's a present value because I'm looking for the deposit amount. And this is a single deposit. Our formula for that one is P equals, because it's present value, it gives us our P, and then we have the ending balance, that's our goal, 1 plus R over N, and then up in the exponent here is N times T. And so for this one, I'm looking for P here. And so I actually don't know P. I have my ending balance, that ending goal of $500. And this one, I have my interest rate of 5.4%. My compounding, it is monthly, so that's 12 times a year. And my time is 3 years. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set this into my formula here, plugging in my values. And then I'm going to go on in to decimals. Careful with this one, make sure you hit that divide sign. If you forget that divide sign, you're actually doing the regular compound interest formula instead of present single deposit. And I just want to double check my numbers real quick. So we have 5.4% monthly and 3 years. Make sure you go into the exponent, and that exponent goes in parentheses as well. So right now, my P, my principal that I would need to deposit is $425.38. So $425.38 is what I would need to deposit now in order to have $500 in 3 years. It's important to note that when we're doing present value, your answer should always be smaller than what that B, that ending balance was, because you're earning interest. So you're trying to figure out, what do I start with so that I end up with more money? So our answer when we're doing these present values should always be bigger than that B value up at the top.